If I am able, I go to a domestic homicide response because I think it's so important to give the community an invitation to talk with us about what happened, what they're experiencing.
And what police say happened at this apartment complex in High Point is, unfortunately, what Katherine Johnson sees far too often. A little more than a week after it happened, she and other members of the city's Communities Against Violence initiative went door to door where Michael Cadogan is accused of strangling his estranged girlfriend, Gianna Delgado.
If you're strangled by your partner, you are 1,000% more likely to be killed by them. Strangulation is the last warning shot. It is when someone puts their hands around your neck, they have, within 6 pounds of pressure, the ability to kill you. That is the most lethal form of domestic violence.
Johnson is the director of the Guilford County Family Justice Center. With offices in Greensboro and High Point, it describes itself as the one-stop resource for domestic violence victims. During the last 6 years, it's helped more than 46,000 of them.
Our youngest client has been a day-old baby, and our oldest to date has been a 97-year-old man who lives in a high-rise downtown.
How bad did domestic violence get here in Guilford County during the pandemic?
It was a record-setting year for domestic violence homicides. 250% increase from 2015 when the
250%
increase in domestic violence homicides. If we track that from the year the Family Justice Center opened in 2015. We know that in isolation things thrive. And I think that the lack of connections that families had to systems of support exacerbated underlying problems that were happening in the home.
Which makes the support systems the Family Justice Center offers free of charge as important now than ever. Here, more than 100 professionals representing 17 disciplines, from law enforcement to social work to legal, work together to help individuals and families in need.
This is for children only?
This is a child-only room, yep, and Moses Cone has a full team of staff that work here every day serving children.
And among other things, that team conducts domestic violence evaluation exams on children. The Family Justice Center even has a virtual courtroom so clients can speak with a judge virtually to request 50B restraining orders. There's even a Bible for clients to swear in.
So before the Family Justice Center opened, in order to file a restraining order, for example, it could take up to 8 hours and you could go up to 6 places. Wow. Now from the Family Justice Center, you can do it in a couple of hours and you never leave the center.
How does one know if he or she is in an abusive relationship?
Is your partner constantly jealous of you? Has the violence and abuse increased over the past couple of months, in the past year? Controlling where you go, controlling who you're with, controlling your access to resources, controlling your access to other people, to other communities, to employment.
When it comes to supporting someone you suspect to be a victim of domestic violence, what is the most effective thing you can do for that person?
So we as community members have to create the space, and if we see something that's not right, saying, I care about you, are you okay? Those are such small words, but those words can have such a tremendous impact because we have to create the invitation for people to share with us.
And now the Family Justice Center is gearing up for one of its special summer programs, Camp Hope, North Carolina, a local camping and mentoring program for children affected by domestic violence.
And they realize, I'm not the only person this has happened to. And that gives them power. That makes meaning out of things that feel meaningless, and that helps them not feel so isolated.